Good morning, everyone. Today we're taking a closer look at a company that's making waves in the UK utility sector and catching the attention of major analysts. Jefferies, a leading global investment bank, has just named Drax Group its top pick among UK utilities, a significant endorsement in a highly competitive industry where every move is closely watched. This isn't just a casual endorsement. Jefferies' in-depth analysis points to Drax's rare combination of financial stability, innovative strategy, and impressive growth potential. As the energy sector undergoes rapid transformation, Drax stands out for its ability to adapt and thrive. With the world shifting toward cleaner, more sustainable energy sources and digital demand reaching new heights, not all companies are prepared for the challenges ahead. The transition to renewables and the need for reliable power infrastructure are reshaping the landscape. Jefferies believes Drax is perfectly positioned to lead this transition, thanks to its forward-thinking investments, smart assets, and a steady stream of income that provides resilience in uncertain times. While many competitors are scrambling to keep up with new regulations and shifting market demands, Drax's solid foundation and proactive approach allow it to navigate the complexities of the modern energy grid with confidence and agility. In the next sections, we'll break down exactly why Drax stands out from the crowd, from its diverse power-generating assets and commitment to sustainability, to its robust financial security and strategic vision for the future. So, let's dive in and explore what truly makes Drax a top pick in a sector that's full of both risk and opportunity, and see how it's shaping the future of energy in the UK. Every time you stream a movie, send an email, or scroll through social media, you're tapping into a vast, invisible network of data centers, giant digital warehouses that keep our online lives running smoothly, 24/7. These massive facilities are the beating heart of the internet, and they're driving an unprecedented surge in electricity demand across the globe. As our appetite for digital services grows, so does the need for reliable, high-capacity power. According to a recent report from Jefferies, this trend is only accelerating. Data centers are on track to become one of the primary drivers of new power demand in the UK, outpacing many traditional industries. The rise of technologies like artificial intelligence, cloud computing, online gaming, and the shift to remote work are all fueling this explosive growth. These innovations require constant, round-the-clock access to data, making a stable and resilient power supply more critical than ever. But meeting this demand isn't simple. The grid needs a backbone of power that can be dispatched instantly, something intermittent renewables like wind and solar alone can't always provide, especially during peak usage or when the weather doesn't cooperate. This is where Drax steps in, playing a crucial role in the UK's energy landscape. Unlike many competitors who are still in the planning or construction phase, Drax already operates some of the UK's largest and most flexible power generation assets, capable of ramping up or down to meet real-time demand. Its robust infrastructure is ready today, not years from now, giving Drax a significant head start, empowering the UK's rapidly expanding digital economy. As electricity demand surges, Drax's proven ability to deliver reliable, on-demand power sets it apart from the competition and makes it a vital partner for the nation's digital ambitions. The real question isn't just who can supply more power, but who can do it with unwavering consistency, speed, and flexibility. Qualities that are essential for supporting the digital services we now depend on every day. Drax's assets are purpose-built for this moment, engineered to keep pace with the evolving needs of a connected society. That's why Jefferies sees Drax as a leader in meeting the power needs of our digital world, today and for the future that's just around the corner. What makes Drax special? It's all about its diverse, proven energy assets. At its core are massive biomass generation facilities, converting a former coal giant into a renewable powerhouse using sustainably sourced wood pellets. This provides reliable, low-carbon electricity, exactly what the grid needs. Drax also owns pumped storage hydro, acting like a giant battery, storing energy when it's cheap, releasing it instantly when demand spikes. This combination, steady biomass and agile pumped hydro, gives Drax unmatched flexibility. As the grid relies more on variable renewables, Drax's assets become even more valuable. While others talk about future projects, Drax is already delivering at scale. Its facilities are proven, integrated, and ready to capitalize on rising demand. Drax isn't just a power producer, it's a key enabler of the UK's renewable energy system. That's a tangible edge in a competitive sector. Drax's switch to biomass is a game-changer, making it one of Europe's largest renewable projects. Biomass provides dispatchable, reliable power, crucial for balancing the grid when wind or solar falter. This reliability is exactly what data centers and other big consumers need. Long-term government frameworks and subsidies give Drax stable, predictable revenue, insulating it from wild market swings. This financial stability is a major draw for investors. Looking ahead, Drax is pioneering BECCS, technology that could make its power generation carbon negative. If successful, Drax won't just be low carbon, but could actively remove CO2 from the atmosphere. That's forward-thinking innovation, and it cements Drax's leadership in the energy transition. Drax's pumped storage hydro, especially the Cruachan power station nestled deep within the Scottish Highlands, stands as a true marvel of modern engineering. This facility is not just a power station, it's a critical piece of the UK's energy puzzle, designed to deliver flexibility and reliability when it's needed most. With the ability to go from zero to full power in under 30 seconds, Cruachan can inject massive amounts of electricity into the grid almost instantly. This rapid response is essential for stabilizing the grid, especially when renewable sources like wind and solar suddenly dip or surge. As the UK accelerates its transition to renewables, adding more wind and solar farms across the country, the grid faces new challenges. These sources are clean but unpredictable, making fast, flexible backup power more important than ever. Drax's pumped storage acts as a shock absorber for the entire system, smoothing out sudden changes in supply and demand. This helps prevent blackouts and keeps the lights on, supporting a seamless shift to a greener energy future. Beyond grid stability, Drax's system enables smart market strategies. It can buy electricity when prices are low, often during periods of excess renewable generation, and sell it back when demand and prices spike, turning flexibility into profit. This approach creates a steady and profitable revenue stream, maximizing the value of Drax's assets while supporting the broader energy market. As the demand for long-duration energy storage grows, driven by the need to store renewable power for hours or even days, pumped hydro's role becomes even more crucial. Unlike most batteries, these facilities can deliver sustained power over long periods. While batteries are excellent for short bursts and quick balancing, Drax's pumped storage hydro can keep supplying electricity for hours on end, making it ideal for covering extended gaps in renewable generation. That's why Jefferies views this unique asset as a durable competitive advantage. In a world racing toward net zero, assets that combine flexibility, reliability, and profitability are rare and highly prized. Facilities like Cruachan are not easily replicated. As the grid continues to evolve and the need for flexible, long-duration storage grows, the value of Drax's pumped storage hydro is set to soar, cementing its place at the heart of the UK's clean energy future. Drax's financial stability is built on long-term government-backed contracts. These contracts, like the Contracts for Difference (CFD) and biomass subsidies, guarantee predictable revenue, shielding Drax from volatile power prices. The CFD scheme ensures Drax gets a fixed price for its low-carbon electricity, smoothing out earnings and reducing risk. This stability supports strong cash flow, enabling confident long-term planning and investment. Unlike competitors exposed to market swings, Drax enjoys a defensive quality that's rare in the sector. It can benefit from high prices but is protected during downturns. Jefferies sees this balanced model as a major strength. Drax's robust earnings profile is a cornerstone of its investment appeal. It's a safer, more reliable bet in a turbulent market. Drax's strong balance sheet is another key advantage. The company manages debt prudently, giving it flexibility and resilience compared to more leveraged peers. Smart capital allocation means Drax can invest in high-return projects, pursue growth, or return cash to shareholders. This financial discipline is a luxury in a capital-intensive industry. With low debt, Drax can fund new infrastructure or technology without strain. Jefferies highlights this as a powerful combination: defense against downturns and the ability to seize new opportunities. Drax's financial strength underpins its entire investment case. It's well-positioned to thrive through the energy transition and deliver results for years to come. The UK utilities sector faces regulatory uncertainty and massive capital needs for new projects. Drax stands out by being better insulated from these risks, thanks to its long-term contracts and established assets. While others gamble on future developments, Drax's core assets, biomass and pumped hydro, are already generating cash and aligned with the grid's needs. Its strategy is about optimizing what it has, not betting on unproven projects. This gives Drax a unique blend of growth and safety, ready to capitalize on rising demand, but with a stable contracted earnings base. Jefferies believes Drax's risk-reward profile is superior to many peers. It's in the right place, at the right time, with the right strategy. That's what sets Drax apart in a challenging sector. Bringing it all together, Drax's future looks bright. Jefferies' endorsement is based on powerful trends: surging electricity demand, reliable assets, and a robust financial structure. Drax's mix of steady biomass and agile pumped hydro is hard to replicate and only grows in value as the UK moves toward net zero. Financially, Drax stands on solid ground, with predictable earnings and the flexibility to invest in growth. It's not just a utility, it's a critical part of the UK's energy system. Jefferies' top pick status is about foresight and readiness. Drax is built to thrive in a digital, low-carbon future.